Here's Tara having a lovely nectarine for lunch. Lovely nectarine. And here's Ryan. He's saying hello, Ryan.
Hello.
You say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Granddad.
Hi, Gummy.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Granddad.
Hi,
Hi.
Gummy.
What have you got for lunch? What are you eating? What are you eating, Ryan? Is it yummy?
Finish.
Finished?
Four.
All finished. You want more?
Four.
That's your second
Mama.
bowl. What about that?
Four.
What about that? You haven't finished that yet.
Finish.
Finished. Are you finished? What are you drinking?
That's Mummy's. That's Mummy's.
That's Mummy's. Yeah, that's Mummy's cup. There you go.
That's people water.
Purple water. Yeah.
People water.
What's Tara eating? What's Tara eating?
Go. Beep. Beep, beep, beep. Go.
Table. Table.
Go.
Oh, Tara. Making a lovely mess there.
Beep.